गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हो आप सब? टुडे आई विल टीच यू vowels. Okay, first of all, draw a format like this with the help of a scale. Write today's date and day. Okay, today's date is 21st April 2020 and the day is Tuesday, Tuesday. Okay, write vowels in the format. As you know, there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Okay, let's start. After learning 2-letter words, I will teach you 3-letter words. First, I will take A sound words. Three-letter words can be introduced with the help of CVC pattern. What? CVC means consonant plus vowel plus consonant, like this. As you know, B is consonant, A is vowel and T is consonant. First we will take A. After that I will teach you E, I, O and U. सबसे पहले हम A साउंड को लेकर वर्ड्स फॉर्म करेंगे. ओके, B, बा, A, T, बैट. का, C, A, T, cat. These are A sound words. Ma, M, A, T, mat. Fa, F, A, T, fat. Ha, H, A, T, hat. Again, these are A sound words. A-T, we are using A-T. B-A-T, bat. C-A-T, cat. M-A-T, mat. F-A-T, fat. And H-A-T, hat. Okay, children? Do you understand? Now, here are also A sound words. We are using here A-N. V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. Pa-A-N, pan. Fa-A-N, fan. Ra-A-N, ran. Ka-A-N, can. Again, I will repeat it. Van, V-A-N, van. P-A-N, pan. F-A-N, fan. R-A-N, ran. And C-A-N, can. These are A sound words. Okay, these words are introduced with CVC pattern: consonant plus vowel plus consonant. After that, we will learn E sound words. We will use E in the middle as a sound. Did you understand, dear children? Okay, goodbye.